Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. The boat I'm going to show you today is a 2025 Sea Ray SLX 280. It's going to be in the white hull with the black stripe, stone interior, which is going to match with the gray flooring. This one has a fold down swim step in the ladder here in the back. Sun pad back here does have storage underneath it. Walking in here, plenty of seating and room for all your family and friends. This does have the power tower option, so it will fold down. It does have a pull-out sunshade as well. This one is optioned with a small pull-out fridge. Again, plenty of storage throughout. This one actually has the head built in here as well in front of your co-captain. Both the captain's chair and the co-captain's chairs are multi-positional. Beautiful helm with the dual Simrad screens. Tab system there. Walking up front, you see you have plenty of room for your family and friends, a spot to put a table, and off the bow you have your windlass. My name is Lucas. Give us a call here today at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and let's check out the 280 SLX from Sea Ray.